Salle University, Dasmarinas, the greenest campus in the Philippines. One of the few academic institutions that has a botanical garden, a place where students interact, and the lake park, giving a scenic and relaxing view for the students and the DLSUD community. Awarded as the most sustainable and eco-friendly tertiary school. Study in a relaxing and fresh environment, focused not only on the academic but on the holistic learning experience. Great reason to make your decision, because in Salle University, Dasmarinas, quality education comes with green environment. Visit www.dlsud.edu.ph.